I will be showing you how to do an auto locker. My friends requested that I show them how I do it because well, obviously they don't know, so I will be showing you. You're gonna start off with your locker. You're gonna take your splitter, and you want your conveyor. You want to take the output of the conveyor into the splitter. You want to put on storage adapters on your locker. Output of each one to the input. And afterwards you want to place combiners on the backside, like so. And each output you're going to put into the input of the one above. And the output of the final one you're going to put into the conveyor. Now, on the conveyor, you're going to type in what you want. We of course want a face mask, we want a chest plate, we want a kilt, we want an assault rifle, and we want some 5.5. Now, here where it says max, you want to type in 1 with everything but ammo. This does also include meds, because let's say I want 10 meds. Now, if I type 10 on max, it'll give me 10 meds. If I type 1 on face mask, it's going to give me 1 face mask. The ammo, I want 128. And apply. This means I'll be getting 1 face mask, 1 chest plate, 1 road sign, 1 AK, and a stack of 5.5, and 10 syringes. Now, after that, you want to head over to your loot rooms. Place down your boxes and place a storage adapter on each one of them. Now, you're going to take the output of a box to the input of the next one, and you basically want to do that for each and every one of them, like so. That should leave you with an output and an input. The output you want to take over here, and you're gonna put it inside of the input of the splitters here, or combiners. Now, what this means is that all the loot from in these boxes are gonna go to this combiner, which is gonna go to this one, which will go to the conveyor, then the splitter, then into the locker. Now, these ones are rather simple to power. If you use branches, you're only gonna need, once you place them, they're set on 2. Now, you don't even need to change it. 2 is actually what you need for these ones. You don't need more than 2. And the power in, you don't really need anything that much. If you only have 1 locker, I'd recommend going for a solar panel, since it's very manageable, it's not that hard, and you don't need that much power from it. Now, let's see here. This one, 20 power, that's just fine. There you go, the input, and you can see it's ready to be turned on. The standard input of 2 is enough to power a conveyor. Now, all the items that will be put into this, that is of course on the list here. As always, you can always add more. A hoodie, some pants, and some walls. Of course, remember, always type in the max you want. Have this one on any item, and then apply. Now, it'll of course take everything that is this. All the AKs, all the face masks, all the chest plates from this boxes will be taken into the locker. Now, the thing about this design, it is my own. I'm not claiming it's the best. Of course it has its flaws, and that flaw being that if you have loot rooms with 6, you can max take 5 of these loot rooms with 6 boxes connected to it. Max 5 of them in here. Now, what that means is we can use this loot room and this loot room, connect them to the auto locker. We can take this loot room and this room and connect them to the auto locker, and we can only take 1 of these. Now, the reason behind that, I don't know. I haven't checked it as much, but of course that's gonna leave you with 4 empty ones. You don't really need this one. I like to have it for the symmetry of it, I guess. But of course, you don't need it. But these 2 are essential because you're gonna need these ones, but not this one. And yes, that is basically how you do it. It's really simple, it doesn't take that long, and yeah, that's it. Now, I will be showing an auto locker in the next one, so I will recommend you watching that because that will make an automated system for your entire base. So we want metal fracks in here, it's going to be automated. We want all our ammo and guns and all that in here, that's going to be automated, and everything like that. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thank you very much.